Do you want to earn respect from others? In our day-to-day lives, respect often serves as the backbone of healthy relationships, both personal and professional. It's more than just a feeling of admiration or a courtesy we extend out of habit. Respect is a multifaceted virtue, a reflection of one's character and a measure of our integrity. Earning respect, however, isn't as simple as flipping a switch. It's a process, a journey of personal development, honing social skills and upholding professional conduct. It's about being the kind of person who can be counted on, who listens, who empathizes, and who treats others with kindness and consideration. Why is earning respect so important, you might wonder? Well, respect impacts almost every aspect of our lives. It influences how others perceive us, how we interact with the world, and even how we view ourselves. It can be the difference between a thriving relationship and a failing one, a successful career and a stagnant one. It's a key ingredient in fostering trust, promoting cooperation, and building strong, meaningful connections. But respect isn't automatically given, it's earned. And it's not just about being liked or admired. It's about being someone who demonstrates reliability, integrity, empathy, and professionalism. It's about being someone who values themselves and respects others. It's about being someone who communicates effectively, leads by example, and handles conflicts gracefully. In the next 20 minutes or so, we're going to explore 50 ways to earn respect. These aren't quick fixes or superficial strategies. Instead, they are actionable steps you can integrate into your daily life that will not only help you earn respect, but also enrich your personal growth, improve your social skills, and enhance your professional demeanor. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of self-improvement and respect earning? Ready to discover the 50 ways to earn respect? Let's dive in, starting with the first 10 ways to earn respect. Our first point is practicing active listening. When you show genuine interest in what others are saying, you not only learn more, but you also make them feel valued and heard. This fosters a sense of respect and mutual understanding. Next, we have maintaining integrity. This means consistently being honest and upholding strong moral principles, even when no one is watching. It's about doing what is right, not what is easy, and people will respect you for it. Thirdly, showing empathy is a powerful way to earn respect. It's about understanding and sharing the feelings of others. It's not just about sympathizing, but truly feeling with them. Being reliable is our fourth point. Keeping your promises and commitments shows others that they can depend on you. When people know they can count on you, they'll respect you. Fifthly, cultivating self-respect is crucial. Value yourself and your well-being. This is the foundation of earning respect from others. If you don't respect yourself, how can you expect others to? Developing confidence, our sixth point, is about believing in your abilities without being arrogant. Confident people inspire others and earn their respect. Seventh, clear communication is key. Expressing your thoughts and ideas effectively helps avoid misunderstandings and fosters respect. Eighth, demonstrating professionalism in work settings earns respect. Being punctual, prepared, and focused shows that you take your work seriously. Our ninth point is humility. Acknowledge your flaws and work on them. People appreciate those who can accept their imperfections and strive to improve. Finally, respecting others is a fundamental way to earn respect. Treat everyone with dignity and consideration, regardless of their status or differences. Moving on to the next 10 ways to earn respect. Continuing our journey to earning respect, we arrive at the 11th way, seeking self-improvement. Continual personal and professional growth is a sign of someone who values their potential and is committed to reaching it. This dedication to self-improvement shows others that you respect not only yourself, but also the people you interact with, by always striving to bring your best self to the table. Next, we look at managing emotions. Keeping a cool head under pressure and not overreacting in stressful situations shows a level of emotional maturity that is highly respected. It's not about suppressing emotions, but rather understanding and controlling them. The 13th way to earn respect is to lead by example. This means modeling the behavior you expect from others. It's an effective way to inspire and motivate those around you, and it also shows that you're not afraid to hold yourself to the same standards you set for others. Moving on to the 14th point, admitting mistakes. Nobody is perfect, and owning up to your errors is a clear sign of honesty and integrity. It shows that you are willing to take responsibility and learn from your mistakes rather than blaming others or denying your part in the situation. Our 15th way to earn respect is to be inclusive. Welcoming diverse perspectives and backgrounds enriches our understanding of the world and shows respect for the experiences and viewpoints of others. The 16th way is to show gratitude. Regularly expressing appreciation to others fosters positive relationships and shows that you do not take people or their efforts for granted. Next, we have being consistent. Ensuring that your actions and words align over time builds trust and shows others that you are reliable and true to your word. The 18th way is to seek feedback. Asking for and valuing input from others shows that you respect their opinions and value their insight. Our 19th way to earn respect is to handle conflict respectfully. Engaging in disagreements with dignity shows that you respect differing opinions and are willing to find common ground. Lastly, for this segment, demonstrating competence. Being good at what you do and constantly striving to improve earns respect by showing dedication and professionalism. Let's explore more ways to earn respect. Scene script. Let's look at the next set of ways to earn respect. At 21, we have offer help. Being willing to assist others in their time of need not only builds a sense of community, but also earns you respect. It's not about being a doormat, but about showing kindness and understanding when others are in a bind. Next up, stand up for your beliefs. This doesn't mean being obstinate or argumentative, but being able to assert your views respectfully, even when they differ from others. It's about having the courage to voice your convictions and standing your ground. At 23, maintain a positive attitude. Optimism and a constructive outlook can make a world of difference. It shows resilience, a quality that commands respect. Remember, it's not about ignoring problems, but about finding solutions and focusing on the brighter side of things. Moving on to respect boundaries. Respect is a two-way street. Understanding and honoring personal and professional limits shows you value others' space and autonomy. This could be as simple as not encroaching on someone's personal time, or as complex as navigating workplace hierarchies. At 25, we have be open-minded. Being willing to consider new ideas and perspectives shows intellectual maturity and a thirst for knowledge. It's about being adaptable, flexible, and ready to learn. Next, practice patience. Giving time and space to others when needed can be a sign of respect and understanding. Patience shows that you value others' processes and timelines, not just your own. At 27, show interest in others. Engage with people about their lives and interests. Genuine interest in others fosters connection and mutual respect. Cultivate a strong work ethic is next. Diligence and hard work never go unnoticed. They demonstrate commitment, responsibility, and a respect for the task at hand. At 29, avoid gossip. Speaking positively about others or not at all shows respect for their character and reputation. It's a sign of maturity and integrity. And finally, at 30, demonstrate accountability. Taking responsibility for your actions is a hallmark of a respectful person. It shows you're not afraid to admit when you're wrong and are willing to make things right. Ready for more? Let's keep going. We're on the home stretch now. Let's dive into the next 10 ways to earn respect. First up is being independent. It's about thinking and acting autonomously. When you can make decisions and solve problems on your own, it shows you're a person who can be relied upon. Next is cultivating wisdom. This involves seeking knowledge and sharing it judiciously. Wisdom isn't just about what you know, but also about knowing when and how to share that knowledge. Then we have being resourceful. This means finding creative solutions to problems. People respect those who can think outside the box and turn challenges into opportunities. Our 34th point is being a team player. This means collaborating effectively and supporting your peers. Remember, there's no I in team. Next up, practice good manners. It's as simple as being polite and courteous. It's an easy way to show respect to others and in turn earn their respect. Moving on to staying composed. Keeping your cool in stressful situations shows you're someone who can handle pressure, and that commands respect. Our 37th point is about fairness. Treating everyone equally and justly is a surefire way to earn respect. It shows you value people for who they are, not what they can do for you. Next, we have giving constructive criticism. Offering feedback in a helpful, non-hurtful way shows you care about others' growth and progress, and that's a trait that's respected universally. Our penultimate point for today is respecting time. Being punctual and valuing others' time shows you respect them and their commitments. And finally, maintaining physical appearance. This doesn't mean you need to be a fashion model, but presenting yourself neatly and appropriately shows you have self-respect, and that often translates into respect from others. Just 10 more ways to earn respect left to go. Scene script. Here are the final 10 ways to earn respect. At number 41, we have demonstrate passion. Show enthusiasm for your interests and responsibilities. This passion can be infectious, encouraging others to respect your dedication and zest. Next up is seek mutual benefits. When you're negotiating, aim for win-win outcomes. This shows that you value the needs and wants of others as much as your own, fostering respect for your fair-mindedness. At 43, be curious. Showing interest in learning and exploring new things can earn you respect for your open-mindedness and thirst for knowledge. Number 44 is maintain good health. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being shows you respect yourself, and this self-respect often inspires respect from others. At 45, we have show cultural sensitivity. Respecting and appreciating cultural differences is a key way to earn respect in our diverse world. Next, at 46, speak thoughtfully. Avoiding rash words and thinking before you speak can earn you respect for your consideration and wisdom. Number 47 is maintain body language. Using positive, open body language can communicate respect to others, encouraging them to reciprocate. At 48, we have build trust. Establishing yourself as a trustworthy person is a fundamental way to earn respect. It's hard to respect someone you don't trust after all. Number 49 is show resilience. Life can be tough, but those who face challenges head-on, bouncing back from setbacks, earn respect for their strength and perseverance. And finally, at 50, be kind. Kindness may seem simple, but it's a powerful way to earn respect. Showing kindness to everyone, regardless of who they are or what they can do for you, demonstrates a deep respect for humanity that can inspire respect in return. And there you have it, 50 ways to earn respect. We've covered a lot of ground today. 50 remarkable ways to gain respect, each one a stepping stone on the path to a more respected and fulfilling life. From practicing active listening to demonstrating professionalism, each point is a vital component of the respect puzzle. They're not just items on a list, but rather they're keys to unlocking a more profound connection with the world around us. In our journey, we've explored the importance of maintaining integrity, showing empathy, and being reliable. These are not just actions but reflections of our character. They speak volumes about who we are and how we perceive others, and in doing so, they lay the foundation for the respect we seek. We've also learned about the importance of self-respect, confidence, and clear communication. These are the tools that help us navigate our personal and professional lives, and they're integral to forming meaningful relationships. They radiate our self-assurance and invite others to respect us. We delved into the significance of humility, respect for others, and the pursuit of self-improvement. These are not signs of weakness, but rather they're indicators of strength and maturity. They show that we are not afraid of our flaws and are constantly striving to be better versions of ourselves. We emphasize the value of emotional management, leading by example, and admitting our mistakes. These are the qualities that distinguish leaders from followers. They show that we can handle pressure, influence others, and learn from our errors. And lastly, we talked about inclusivity, gratitude, and consistency. These are the virtues that make us human. They show that we appreciate diversity, value others' contributions, and stay true to our words and actions. Remember, respect is a two-way street. As you strive to earn respect, always remember to give it as well. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Until next time. Before we wrap up, we'd like to take a moment to thank you for being part of our journey today. We hope you found these tips valuable and that they inspire you to continue striving for respect in all areas of your life. As we sign off, we'd like to remind you that respect is not an overnight achievement, but a lifelong commitment. Remember, every step you take towards earning respect is a step toward a more fulfilling life. And now, we have a small request from you. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider showing your support. You can do this by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon to ensure you never miss our future videos. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we're truly grateful for every like, share, and subscription. We're excited to continue this journey with you, exploring and learning together. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you once again, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.